I must first of all thank the organizers of the conference for giving body to this topic with a discussion so wide of participants. The first point that I would like to treat is linked to the need to combine the energy with the climate change. And for this reason, the need for a sustainable energy transition in Europe to a low-carbon energy system. Clearly, this step can be done if the target at various stages, 2020, 2030 and 2050, achieves objectives of reducing CO2 in Earth's atmospheres to keep the overall concentration of this gas at levels that allow a stabilization of the temperature around 2–3 Celsius degrees. Current technologies are not enough to achieve this stabilization. Only research and innovation can bring to this level of reducing greenhouse gas emission. New technologies that should stand to the entire globe in energy production and in reducing the consumption. So, altogether, Europe in the field of energy shall be able to join with the major contributors to global greenhouse gas emission. China, obviously, India, Brazil, South Africa, USA, etc. Countries relevant to reach a real maintaining stable the climate. Everything we do is for us to avoid disastrous consequences for our territory, with emergencies that are becoming more frequent, leave no respite to the people and bring continuous tragedies and devastation. Why do we need new technologies? It's not enough what we have as old technologies in the renewables, where they are insufficient to solve the problems that energy poses to the climate. The first element is the cost of current technologies. They're not competitive compared to some conventional fossil fuels. Some tools have finally achieved by itself the grid parity, but their availability to provide energies is not stable over time and cause a great looking on the adaptation of the network to this instability and will lead to new concept of dispatching. It has passing to the smart grid or to a distributed system of small renewable energy production. Other sources are not mature on market competitiveness of the production, low efficiency, high cost of components or processes. Still, others do not have the acceptability of population and slow to achieve a competitive market having to be authorized and therefore show the necessity of great reduction of conventional pollutants. Consider, for example, the case of the particulate matter reduction, or have open problems in the safety of the process or in the production of waste. Here is where we have to establish research and innovation. Operative research and innovative technologies should be considered a priority for the European Union. A priority, I think, strongest than the CO2 emission market, emissions trading. At least for now, the emission trading market has not found technological solutions, but plays only with market rules built into the system with the bureaucracy which in recent years has been created in the European Union with some mistakes made by using the mechanism heavily. Where has been found instead a certain consensus that still acts in the same way is in the NER 300 program. new entrant reserve of 300 million tons of CO2. Addressed the operative research on renewable energy sources, energy efficiency, and the carbon capture under storage. The STEP plan will cater mainly to these ways, systematically addressing the problems outlined earlier of renewable alternative energy sources and new sources other than fossil fuels, able to shift energy production to other shores. While waiting, the transition must be covered by the system that produces the most effective current renewable sources available and must be exploited to the maximum yield resulting from the reduction in fossil fuel consumption. Even here, the research and innovation plays a fundamental role. We think of the new building materials, robotics, biotechnology, nanotechnology, new processes and consumption recovery, smart grids, building efficiency, etc. These are fields in which research can make a contribution on the path to high energy efficiency and synergy in close combination between energy efficiency and renewables. Energy efficiency is the cornerstone of energy environment policy in the medium-long term to reduce CO2. We want to push a change of perspective in the action of governance that shows some signs of discontinuity. A different role for programming both with respect to the goals and the coordination of action through, first, an effort of collecting information, defining the potential of consumption reduction and cost efficiency analysis, the creation of a European coordination room between the competent administration on the EU countries to manage in a coordinated manner the measures and support the binomial efficiency renewable resources with innovative technologies. Second, a different perspective to the critical economic and financial for efficiency and the renewable resources in innovative technologies. The right question is, how do we bring together investment towards new technologies, private financial flows? It is well do not think only of incentive systems. Go instead find ways to exercise the greatest possible leverage on scarce public resources available and the funds available from the European Union's Horizon 2020 and structural funds. The two concrete answers testifying that change of perspective are research and innovation on combination of renewable sources and energy efficiency, if supported financially, must be accompanied by a certain degree of employment. And the financial rules must be very beneficial by improving the operative aspect, short and simplified procedures for funding, and enriching the offer to activate new private resources. Now I end with leaving to search solutions, and I wish to see results within the next 3 or 4 years on these issues, with innovative technologies and ideas for a more certain future in the energy market at low carbon content. Thank you very much.